Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Even though this is my third one this time, my friend is gonna lag out the whole server. You guys
better be careful.
You guys get to see.
Oh, crap.
Tell him the thing.
All right, Pipi Kuza. We are gonna make a big
No,
explosion.
no, stop.
Like and subscribe, or I'm gonna blow up this area.
Okay, you guys get to see the big blow up.
I'm still gonna do it.
Okay. Load it. Oh no. Wait, it didn't make that much smoke. Alright.
What's wrong? Pipi. Wait, 3. Frick. Come here, Pipi Kuza. Yes. Shut up! Come here. Shut up. Pretend to trip. Pretend to trip.
Alright.
Mike Wazowski!
What do you want to do?
Fly away.
Ah!
Come on. Pipi Kuza.
Stop! Stop it, or I will fire you. On the spot.
Okay. To infinity and beyond. Uh-oh! El Pipi Cruiser.